What is up, guys? Jonathan Ryerson back behind the camera here, and today I'm going to give you some follow-up updates because I got some more parts from, well, it's already said before, but I just got I got 3 parts yesterday and I got this thing today. So I got 3 of these today and this today. I mean, yesterday I got 3 of these devices yesterday and I got this today. So I got all this stuff for free. These did not come off of eBay or anything like that. So I'm really surprised that in the Project Search program that I'm in school. I'm really surprised that I'm getting a bunch of parts. I'm really surprised, but I don't really want to give away too many personal information, guys. I don't want to give any of it away. So please, just please bear with me for a bit, guys. So this is the same stuff. These all came out of the same area where the other stuff that I showed in the other fire alarm parts video. So that's all those 5 equipments right there. My EST Genesis, those 2 smoke detectors, and that pull station right there. So ignore all that stuff in the background. So these are the parts I'm talking about today. So basically, these are all the parts that I've gotten so far. And I brought them home, cleaned them up, tested them, and they all work great. And just ignore my panel. It's not hooked up right now because I don't have a device on the NAC right now. So I have my panel turned off right now because it's unplugged from the wall right there. So it's not broken. I just don't have it hooked up right now. So these are the parts we're going to be focused on right now. But no testing tonight. Right now, you will see these devices in action in the future. So first things first. On to one of the Wheelock equipment that came out of the building. This is a Wheelock chime strobe. Here's the model. This is a CH-DF1-WS-24. So this is an older chime strobe. It's got a heavy-duty speaker on it, along with the chime module on the back. And yes, this thing is fully functional. Both the chime and the strobe work. And this is an older chime strobe, this is kind of a rare device. This is kind of rare because you don't see too many of these on eBay. I'm really surprised that I'm owning this model. So this is a replacement chime strobe that will replace my other Wheelock chime strobe that broke last year because the chime doesn't work. But this thing, it works. So this whole thing is fully functional. So you will see a sound video of this soon in the future, guys. And it's a very cool Wheelock device. And it's made in the 37th week of 1992, so this device is pretty old. And it's fully functional. So, there you guys go. And now we got some Edwards equipment. And I know some of you guys may be saying, these do look like Integrity horn strobes, which they do. They have the same strobe intensity. They all have the same strobe intensities on the outside. They're the same on the outside, but the backs are different. These are not Integrity horn strobes. That's right. These are Integrity chime strobes. So these are chime strobes, everybody. So these are both chime strobes. And this one did not came with the mounting bracket, only that one did. So the model is 757-5A-CS. So these are chime strobes. It's got the volume screw right there on the back. And these are both 15 candela, and the best part is they are enhanced because they got the red font instead of the black font. So these are basically the same integrities, just like the Integrity horn strobe that I have in there. So that's basically all it is. So I think those are very cool devices, and those are kind of rare too, because you don't really see these too much, but you will see those in doctors' offices and hospitals and other sort of medical center, just like the Wheelock chime strobe in the CH series and all that. These are really cool. So these three devices, they're all chimes. So I got 3 chime strobes in my collection. Fully functional chime strobes. I'm very surprised. And this is a very oddball device right here. Well, I believe this was pulled out of the parking garage, but I'm not really sure. But I took the sticker off the front of this thing and placed it on the back instead, because here's the model, GES3-24WR. So this is a Gentex Commander 3 remote strobe. This is my first time owning one of these models. This kind right here. It's a very cool device to have in my collection. And I have a strobe-only version of the Gentex Commander 3 remote strobe. It's a very cool thing to have, even though it's not a horn strobe. So, and there you guys go. All the parts that I got from the hospital so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of all the new parts I've gotten. But I don't want to give any personal information away, guys, because I really don't want to go too deep into it, because they don't do this for everybody at all. So don't try it at all, guys. I recommend do not try it at all, okay? So don't take my word for it, guys. Do not try this at all, okay? Go to the hospital like normal, like you go when you're sick or a broken bone or anything like that. Don't ask for anything from the hospital. So don't. I was in the Project Search program, so I have one more week in the engineering department next week, and I'm going to miss that department. So there is a possibility that I may be getting more parts. So you will see these devices in action really, really soon. So, and my recommendation for a circumstance, do not ask for any parts from the hospital, ever. Don't try it, guys. Please do not. So I'm giving you guys the fair warning. I'm not trying to be mean. It's just the hospital, because I don't want you guys getting in trouble by security by going in unauthorized personal-only areas that you're not supposed to be in. Okay? So, hope you guys enjoyed this video of the new parts I've got. Well, no testing tonight. So basically, you will see these devices in the future. So they're all here. Especially the chime strobe. So, all fully functional, ready to go, and ready for the future testing. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and that'll be it. Take care.